In the sea of air purifiers, choosing the best one can be challenging. Many brands use unnecessary features and marketing tricks to attract as many consumers as possible. We analyzed over 70 air purifiers, put them to various tests, and selected the 6 best you can buy. Before we reveal our list of top air purifiers, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I believe that now, more than ever, it's challenging to find the ideal air purifier for your home. We aim to test and evaluate as many air purifiers as possible, while mainly focusing on the performance tests, which we do using a laser particle meter. We simply put air purifiers in predefined rooms that are usually very similar to the device's coverage and measure how it will improve the air quality in 1 hour. We also measure noise levels across all speeds, power usage, and the power to CADR ratio. Not only that, we also evaluate build quality, features, brand reliability, third-party filter availability, and of course, the price. What makes our tests very special is the unique smoke test, in which we fill a glass box with smoke and then measure how long it takes for the air purifier to remove it. You can find more information about our testing procedures and other valuable details about air purifiers at airpurifierfirst.com. The first air purifier to make our best list is the Levoit Vital 200S. Although recently released, it has quickly gained significant popularity and trust among customers. This air purifier uses a 3-stage filtration technology and features an innovative, permanent, and washable pre-filter, which is uncharacteristic of Levoit devices. It doesn't produce ozone and is 100% safe to use. The Vital 200S is suitable for rooms up to 380 square feet and can clean the air 4.8 times per hour in the recommended room size. The Vital 200S has plenty of smart options, of which we like the most: air quality sensor, air quality indicator, auto mode, and VSync smart app. In our performance test, the Levoit Vital 200S had outstanding results. In a 320 square foot room, it improved air quality by about 96%, and in a 560 square foot room, it improved air quality by about 92%, both within 60 minutes while working at maximum speed. Beyond these impressive results, it also excels in neutralizing cooking odors and is partially effective at removing secondhand smoke, but its performance in environments with pets is especially impressive. What we also like about this air purifier is its quiet operation, especially at the lowest speed, which produces only 41.0 dBA of noise. Even at maximum speed, the noise level is not too loud. It produces only 62.2 dBA. The motor of just 50 watts is also well optimized, meaning you won't even notice the change in your electrical bill. Overall, this is the best air purifier for most people. It's affordable, easy to maintain, user-friendly, feature-rich, and performs exceptionally well, making it our top recommendation, especially for capturing airborne dust, pollen, allergens, and pet hair. For those looking for an air purifier that effortlessly cleans the air in large rooms, our top recommendation is the Levoit Core 600S. This robust air purifier covers rooms up to 635 square feet with an air change per hour rate of 4.8. It uses a cylindrical filter located at the bottom of the unit, which consists of 3 layers: a pre-filter, a main filter, and an activated carbon filter. I'm sure that for the price of the Levoit Core 600S, you won't find such an efficient air purifier with such a large clean air delivery rate. It has plenty of smart features, is compatible with the VSync app, and includes an air quality sensor and auto mode. In our performance tests, it delivered exceptional results, particularly in a 560 square foot room where it improved air quality by an incredible 96% in just 60 minutes at maximum speed. In a second test, this time in a slightly larger room of 730 square feet, it achieved impressive results by improving the air quality by approximately 93%, confirming its effectiveness in rooms larger than recommended. What could be improved on the Levoit Core 600S is noise production. It produces 43.9 dBA at the lowest speed and 68.5 dBA at the maximum speed. However, its 49-watt motor is significantly more efficient compared to that of the previously mentioned Vital 200S model. The Levoit Core 600S stands out as an excellent choice for large rooms, but keep in mind that it's slightly louder, especially at maximum speed. If you're looking for an air purifier that can effectively clean your space of secondhand smoke, cigarette smoke, VOCs, or even cooking smells, Austin Air Purifiers are among the best options available. This brand offers several similar-looking models, with the primary difference being the amount of carbon each contains. Considering its slightly lower price and a 6.5-pound carbon filter, the Austin Air HealthMate Jr. is an excellent choice for removing gases, bad odors, and fumes. Frankly, this model has an old-fashioned design, which might not appeal to everyone, but the build quality is excellent. The Austin Air HealthMate Jr. has a small CADR, which is why it's recommended for rooms of 185 square feet with an ACH of about 5. This compact air purifier uses a 4-stage filtration system, including a large particle pre-filter, a medium particle pre-filter, a combination of activated carbon and zeolite filters, and a true medical-grade HEPA filter. Filters can last up to 5 years, depending on usage. What's also interesting is that this model is operated by a single control knob and lacks additional features. In the performance test of a 194 square foot room, it showed okay results, but wasn't outstanding. Working at the 3rd speed, it improved the air quality by 86% in 60 minutes. This test confirmed that the Austin Air HealthMate Jr. may not be the best choice for capturing particles, but it's definitely the best option for dealing with bad odors. It uses a well-optimized motor of just 28 watts that won't significantly increase your electricity bill and is very quiet across all speeds. At the lowest speed, it produces 40.6 dBA of sound, while at the maximum speed, it produces 54.7 dBA. In summary, the Austin Air HealthMate Jr. is the best option for dealing with cigarette smoke, VOCs, and bad odors. However, for airborne dust, allergens, pollen, and similar household particles, I would recommend considering other models like the Levoit Vital 200S or the Winix 5500-2, which is next on our list. The Winix 5500-2 has been recommended on the Air Purifier First website and channel for years and is still one of the best options you can get. However, some devices offer a bit more for a better price, which is why Winix isn't the first recommendation on this list. It covers rooms of 360 square feet, making it ideal for medium-sized rooms. The Winix 5500-2 uses a 4-stage filtration technology consisting of a washable pre-filter, an activated carbon filter, a true HEPA filter, and a plasma wave technology, which is an optional stage of filtration. Plasma wave may produce ozone when activated, so I mostly avoid using it. This air purifier has some smart features such as an air quality sensor and auto mode, but lacks a smart app. In performance tests, it achieved outstanding results. In a 320 square foot room, for just 60 minutes at max speed, the Winix 5500-2 improved air quality by 96%, which is one of the best results among all tested air purifiers. What we don't like about the Winix 5500-2 is its 70-watt motor, which could be better optimized for power to CADR. While it produces only 40.6 dBA at the lowest speed, it produces 66.4 dBA at the max speed, which is a bit louder but still quieter than the Levoit Core 600S. If an outdated design is something you can overlook, then the Winix 5500-2 is an excellent air purifier to consider. It showed outstanding performance in dealing with airborne particles, is quite effective against bad odors, cigarette smoke, and cooking smells, and comes at an appealing price. The Winix 5500-2 offers great value for the money. Coway is also a well-known name in the air purifier market, and the Coway AP-1512HH is one of the most popular models ever released. This model, along with the Winix 5500-2, is one of the most recommended on Air Purifier First. It uses 4-stage filtration technology consisting of a washable pre-filter, a carbon filter, a true HEPA filter, and an ionizer. The ionizer is the last stage of filtration and is optional. The Coway AP-1512HH is a medium-sized air purifier that covers rooms of about 361 square feet. While it lacks smart features, it includes some advanced options, such as an air quality sensor, auto mode, eco mode, and an air quality indicator. It showed outstanding results in performance tests. In a 320 square foot room, it improved the air quality by 96% in just 60 minutes while working at the max speed the entire time. We don't like that it uses a 77-watt motor, which makes it a power to CADR ratio less than ideal. However, it's fairly quiet at the lowest speed, producing only 41.4 dBA, while at maximum speed it produces 63.5 dBA. The Coway AP-1512HH is a reliable air purifier that has shown outstanding performance in dealing with airborne allergens, pollen, and dust, although it's less effective at neutralizing bad odors. Given its affordable price, the Coway AP-1512HH is certainly worth considering when buying. We wanted to complete the list with one device that's very small, not too expensive, and has great performance and value for the money. One such device is the Levoit Vital 100S. This small air purifier covers rooms up to 219 square feet with an ACH of 4.8. It uses 3-stage filtration technology, doesn't produce ozone, and is 100% safe to use. It comes equipped with plenty of smart features, such as an air quality sensor, air quality indicator, auto mode, and the possibility of connecting to the VSync smart app. What we think is missing from this air purifier is a nightlight feature. People often compare it to Levoit's legendary Core 300S model, but I believe the Vital 100S has more to offer and also performed better in tests. In a 194 square foot room, it improved air quality by about 95%, and in a 320 square foot room, it improved air quality by 94%. In both tests, it operated at maximum speed for 60 minutes. The tests also showed fairly good results in neutralizing bad odors, but we wouldn't recommend it for areas with heavy odor pollution due to a small carbon filter. It uses a motor of just 35 watts and won't cost you too much to operate it. However, it's a bit louder than expected for such a small device. At the lowest speed, it produces a sound of 40.5 dBA. And at maximum speed, it produces 65.4 dBA. Overall, I would recommend the Levoit Vital 100S for bedrooms, offices, kids' rooms, or similar areas. It's a well-performing device that's easy and affordable to maintain and comes with plenty of smart features. If you watched the whole video, I'm sure it narrowed your options and helped you decide which air purifier is the best for you. All 6 air purifiers on this list are top-notch, and they're our absolute best recommendations. However, as the best buy option for dealing with dust, pollen, pet dander, pet hair, and light kitchen smells, we would pick the Levoit Vital 200S. If neutralization of cigarette smoke, secondhand smoke, and VOCs is your main concern, then go with the Austin Air. But if you're looking for an air purifier for all situations that is well priced, then you should also consider the Winix 5500-2, which is a great replacement if you don't fancy the Vital 200S. You can find more detailed reviews of all air purifiers mentioned at airpurifierfirst.com. All the necessary links can be found in the video description. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment below the video or contact us through the website. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. That's it for now, and thanks for watching.